Hello, everyone. Welcome to your radar. Today, we will learn how to schedule the work order. Let's start. From your radar admin interface, click Advanced Search and place the work order number here. Let's search for work order number 104. Click Search. Scroll down to see the results. Go to Options and click Summary. There you go. We already have the work order summary page. From here, click the calendar icon, 31. And let's assume that we're going to schedule this every 17th of the month in the morning. So click AM in 17. And you will have this page. Let's assume that we're expecting our technician from 8 to 11. Recurring, we can either select daily, weekly, monthly, or annually. For this, let's select monthly. As you can notice, this square icon has green here to represent the schedule. Repeat, let's leave it at is. Repeat until. This represents when is the last day that we're going to schedule the job. For this demo, we're going to schedule this until December 17th of this year. And also don't forget to click the square icon. We're not going to skip the weekends. How many technicians we need? Let's say we need one technician. How many hours? 3. From here, scroll down and have a final look. If everything looks good, click Save. To see the result, click Show Summary. And you'll go back here to Work Order Summary page. Click Manage Multiple Days. And you will see that every month, starting August 17 up until December 17 of this year, the schedule is plotted. In the event that the schedule of the job fall in non-working days, especially weekends, example like this, September 17, 2022, it fall on Saturday. Don't worry, we can still schedule it in available date. All you have to do is just to click the 17th here to lift the schedule and click any days following after the 17th. Let's say September 19th. Click that so we can schedule that job on September 19th. Also here on December 17, it is fall under Saturday. Click that to lift the schedule and we can put it back on Monday, December 19. We're now done scheduling the job. Once we're done scheduling the job from work order summary page, let's go ahead and dispatch this to our available technician. On the left side of your radar, click dispatching. If the dispatcher is on the screen, click this calendar sync and navigate through the calendar. Example, August 17, and click look up. All of the scheduled job for that day will appear. Let's go ahead and dispatch it now. Click, drag and drop to installer. 8 in the morning. We can also check the following months, let's say 17th, and you will see it pop-ups here. Same procedure. If your available installer or available technician is installer on September, just click, drag and drop to installer Just continue the procedure until December or until the last day it was scheduled, which is December 17 of 2022. And that's how we schedule the job and assign it to available installer. Thank you.